Hey guys, the weather is getting warmer and hotter, so I have to adjust. That's why I put my summer gear on. Just try to stay cool as much as possible. Today we came here to do some inspections to see the growth of the hives and see if they need any more room for foundation. The swarm season has already passed, so we don't have to worry about that, but we want our hives to keep growing. So I will just check out some hives and see the progress. See you soon. Hey guys, so let's check out this hive. This is the insulation frame that I use. I'm gonna leave it out so it's easier to move the other frames. Some cap brood frame. Mostly honey on this one. Must be the honey that they brought down from the chamber downstairs. I'll put it here. Here's the queen. She started laying eggs. I moved the bottom floor to the top floor so the queen has started laying eggs, and as you can see she's already up here laying eggs. Hatching brood mostly. They're gonna make space for the queen to lay eggs. This building out the foundation frame. This one also foundation frame that they barely touched. The pollen frame, full of pollen. This one over here between the honey and the brood, so the queen can lay eggs in it. Young larva. Also young larva. Cap brood. Beautiful. You see the eggs here? Only on one side. It's a bit heavy. Gorgeous. Honey and cap brood. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this foundation frame over here, and I'll put it on the position number 2, and I'll move the queen from upstairs to here. Here's the queen. I have marked her, just running around. Foundation frame over here. We moved the queen downstairs so she can lay more eggs to some frames. I also added one foundation frame, and hopefully they'll build it up quickly. And I also added 2 more foundation frames up here. The white ones, as you can see, the darker they are, the older they are. The whiter they are, the newer they are. Hopefully they'll build these ones out, and eventually she'll come up and lay upstairs again. And that was it. That was it for today. Very hot day, and it's gonna get hotter. We have a mini heat coming, but it's gonna leave soon. But we're going into the summer season. I probably won't come out as often, but I'll keep checking on these hives. Today we just added more frames, helped the smaller colonies with some sugar patties, and we'll just keep growing them. Okay, see you guys next time.